Powtoon is a free and easy way to make interactive videos and presentations. I have used Powtoon for my education media minor as well as my elementary education classes. As a future teacher, I can teach my kids how to create fun and informative presentations using this application. I am going to show you a few basic skills on how to create a Powtoon. First, type in the Powtoon website in your web browser. And click on the first link. This is the homepage of the Powtoon website. If you do not have an account, you will have to create one using an email, Google account, Facebook, or LinkedIn. It's a very simple setup. Just click on the sign up button in the top right corner and fill in these few boxes. In my case, I already have an account, so I'm going to go to the login screen and log in with my information. Once you log into your account, this is the page that will pop up. It shows all the previously made Powtoons that you have made, and then it shows the different options you can choose to create a new one. For example, an explainer video, an infographic, a presentation, corporate video, social, and video ads. There are many different options, but for this video, we're going to start with a blank Powtoon. For this example, we'll do the cartoon version. There's also Modern Edge Whiteboard, infographic, and reel. Now that our blank Powtoon has opened, we can start creating our Powtoon. For this example, I'm going to create one about my family. As you can see, I am typing in this top box the title of my Powtoon. Over on the left, you see the slides, the different slides that you have created. To add a slide, click the Add Slide button. If you feel that you do not need this slide anymore, you can scroll over it and press the little trash can to delete it. For this home page, we're going to add a background color. So go over to this right hand side and click on the background icon. For this background, we're just going to create a different color background. So let's go to Color Backgrounds, and I think I'm going to use purple. Now, you can also add different scenes, like intro scenes, that are already pre-made for you to choose from. For example, we can do this one, which is already pre-made and takes away the color. If I want to go back, I click this back arrow and it goes back to the color background that I was just using. So for this example, I think I'm just going to create my own title. So I click Add Title and then type in my family. Now we can edit the text that we've just typed in. You can change the color, you can change the font, and you can even change the effects that you add to the font. Let's play it and see how, let's preview it and see how it looks. So this slide seems to last a little longer than necessary. So if you look down at the bottom, you see a timeline. We're going to reduce the seconds to about, I would say, 4 seconds. Now let's play it again and see if this is an appropriate amount of time. So it's still pretty long, but I think we can keep it this length. To add a new slide, we're going to come over here again and press Add Slide. On this slide, I'm going to show you how to add a media file into your Powtoon. Come over here to the right-hand side and scroll down until you see the Media button. To add a new media, press the Add Media button, and you see you can upload an image from your computer, Facebook, Instagram, etc. In my case, I've already uploaded media, and so I'm going to click this picture of my family, and it inserts right into the Powtoon. I can add effects to the picture by right-clicking on the picture and pressing Enter/Exit Effects. I think I want it to come from the top, so I'm going to click the down Enter effect. Let's see how this looks. This slide length is a little long, so I'm going to cut it down a couple seconds. On this slide, I'm going to show you a cool feature of Powtoons. You can add characters, props, and shapes to your Powtoons if you don't want to include pictures. These characters, there are certain ones that come with the free version of Powtoon. There's office characters with a lot of different options, as well as pleasant style. If you scroll over each character, you see that they can do different gestures in your Powtoon. we'll do the waving woman. And she pops up and she's waving. This is one of the cool features of Powtoons, is because the characters are interactive and animated. So we can even add a little boy. And we can add a girl, and she could be happy. So we have these 3 characters. And then we can give them little props. So again, there are only certain ones that come with the free version of Powtoon. So let's just give the boy a little magnifying glass. So you can see, you can change the size and rotate the object using these dots on the corners and then the arrows on the one corner. And then we can edit it so that it's placed on his hand. Another thing that we can add are shapes. Again, there are certain shapes that come with the free version. So if we want to add like a little speech bubble, and then we could add some text into this. Anytime you want to watch the full-length Powtoon, you can come up here to the preview button, and it will show you the full Powtoon. And then once you're ready, you can click the export button, and you have many different options to download it as an MP4, to share it on any of your social media accounts, or you can just upload it to your computer. As you can see, Powtoon has a lot of different functions and tools to create fun and engaging presentations and visuals. I can use this website as a way for my students to present information in the classroom in a new and exciting way. They will learn how to present information, create a story, and add animations, text, and pictures. Powtoons is definitely a beneficial website to know and learn about that can be used for a variety of settings. I hope you learned a little about the website. Thanks for watching.